Hey, what's up, my people? How y'all doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my channel. Now, today we're gonna do another one of my famous unboxings, okay? And I have heard your complaints.
Dalton, you need some more light. Put some music on it.
So, what I did, I went and got me a selfie ring light. That's right, with a tripod. So, and it goes from cold to warm, as you see. Okay. Now, this is a 10-inch ring light, okay, with the tripod stand. It has 3 light modes and 11 levels. You heard me right. It's great for live streaming, outdoor lighting, makeup, putting on your makeup, recording videos, and taking selfies. As well as it works great for a night light for adults or a night light for children. Okay? And it works as a table lamp as well. So that's cool. And it can go 360 degrees all the way around. It has a USB plug, and you can extend it like you're doing the selfies, and you can put it on it and extend it that way as well. Okay, that is pretty cool. I like it. Now, it says it's 3200K to 5500K. And it's made by a company called Emart. Alright, so before I go on, I want to say hello to my subscribers, new and existing, and all my viewers. Also, check out my playlist. I have a lot of videos there. And I do a little bit of light gaming every once in a while. Check that out. Also, without a doubt, subscribe if you like to. Give the video a thumbs up. Hype it, and I like your comments. Now, this was not a bad deal. The price for this was $12, and it was on sale. And you know where it was? Amazon. That's right. It was on sale at Amazon, and it was and of course, I tell everybody, if you get some type of welfare, EBT, low income, anything, or you just have low income, you don't get welfare or anything such as that, because a lot of people work 2 jobs and they still qualify for low income. You can get Amazon Prime for half price, and that includes everything that comes with Amazon Prime. The movies, okay, which one I just recently saw, Noir, which is Spider-Man with Nicolas Cage. He still got it. It was really, really good. You can watch that in black and white, or you can watch it in colors. It's worth the watch. I loved it. Anyway, or you know, the music and all the other things that they offer. Even some things you can get sent to you the next day. They even started something called early morning delivery. Pretty cool. Alright, so without further ado, let's unbox this. I waited to unbox this so I can unbox it with you. I had no clue really all that's in here. We always see the pictures, but you never know. You know what I'm saying? You just never know. So let's do this. Open this up. That was fairly easy. Y'all usually see me struggling with the boxes, don't you? Pull it out. Okay. Try to show you this without dumping everything out. See that? That's what it comes in. Here's the ring light. Here's the remote control. And I believe this is for the for your smartphone, so you can turn your phone off, turn it on. Not bad, huh? And this is remote control for the lighting. Oh, nice. Here is the tripod. Not do that. Yeah. Really good quality. Steel. Emart is the name. Really, really good quality on this. Nice. My last one I had before I died, I used it also for extra lighting in my bedroom. Sometimes I would use it because it was easier to move around. Just use the extra lighting in my bedroom because there's certain parts of my bedroom that's really dark, and it was just easy. Click it on, click it off. It was nice. So as you see that, show you that. Oh yeah, basically, y'all know what that is. That's for your phone. Y'all know, because some of y'all YouTubers, some of y'all not. Some of y'all do fake, selfies and put on your makeup. Y'all know what that is. And that's pretty good. Good quality too. That's a strong plastic, but this right here is all metal. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see, what part is this? Ah, this is another one for your phone. This is the more flexible. Look at that. And it can go 360 degrees around. Not bad. This thing is got a lot of accessories for $12. This is another one. Not bad at all. Still like the remote control for the lighting. Okay. And again, that's a quick unboxing. Okay, this is from Emart Selfie with a tripod stand. And the bottom part, what I wanted to show you, and this is super important, especially in case of emergencies. You see that? This has helped me once before. This is a USB, right? So you can stick it into a USB charger port, or you can connect it to like a standalone battery that has a USB end on it. Why is that important? Well, a little while back, we had a really bad storm, and I believe it was either in the spring or the summer, and all the lights were out. And the lights were out for like maybe almost 2 days. And we had one really bad storm where the lights were out. My lights were out for 6.5 days. So why am I telling you this? If you got an external battery, whether it's one from Patriot, or even that usually charges up your phone, and you connect it to this when your lights are out, now you got lights, okay? Now you got lights, you can see your way around, you can gather stuff you need, you can get all the flashlights, all that stuff, and put it in a place where it's easy accessible during a storm when your lights are out. So that is something people don't think about until they need it. So having one of these like selfie lights as a tripod, sure they could use it as a night light, whatever, whether you're adult, child, teenager, whatever. But the fact is, when the lights go out and you can connect it to an external battery, and now you got lights, in that area so you can see really what's going on, what you're doing. It's a lifesaver. It really helps. Just like I have a radio that I showcased years ago. I still have it. And it takes, I believe it's D batteries. When the light's out, I can still hear what's going on. If there's a tornado, heavy rain, thunderstorm around my area, I can still turn on my radio in case there's an emergency and hear what's going on. And this is not only comforting, it gives you the information you need to stay safe for you, your partner, you, your family, or like me and my cat Caesar. Okay, so you got to keep those things in mind. All right, hope you enjoy this unboxing. And again, I ask you, if you want to, subscribe, give me your comments. Let me know, do you have a selfie light? What do you use yours for? Okay? All right, and I shall wrap till later. Peace.